Alright guys, so let's try to deploy our Docker containers. So in order to save time, I already delete my previous Docker images. And let's see if I have running any container. No, that's it. So next step is to run uh, this bash script, which will be in charge to create this directory to manage the Postgres data volume. And after that, we will run this Docker Compose, which the key feature is to run this YAML file. So let's go to this YAML file. So basically I have three services. The most important is the DB, which is the Postgres image. And this is a new feature. I'm using an env file. And from here, I'm taking some environment variables. So the idea is to not use credentialed in plain text. Also, I have a health check. Let me know if this is a good practice or not. I think from my point of view, this is it is very important to monitor the status of our data layer. After that, the API, which is the backend, it is using the Java-based Docker images. So this is not require many setup, as well as our front end. All right, so all of them are stick into this network, into this virtual network. So let's go to the action and let's run this our deploy script. All right, so in a previous attempt, I create our what data layer. So that's what I got. This message, which directory already exists, but it seems not to be an error for this process. Great. So we have our three containers. Let's have a quick look. Great. So our DB is in a health status, and also our front end and back end are up and running. The back end is running on the 8080 port and running the front end in the 80 port. All right, so maybe we can try to make some changes in these ports. So the idea is not to use the default ones for security concerns. Yeah, but maybe in a future release we can tackle that. So let's check again. Okay, they have 1 minute running. Great. So from our repo, let's check the API. This have just one single Java file, and we have these three endpoints. So what happened if I try to run a curve of my API? Specifically, I will try to hit on the noun endpoint. Let's see what happened. All right, so I got a word which is microservice. Looking good. What else? A verb. Let's see. Yeah, word it. And also an adjective. The famous. Okay, looking good. The test of our API is has been passed. So let's go to our web browser. I don't remember if I have something running in the report. No. So yes, we got this. All right. So this is the front end. This is our. I think this is the what? The noun, the verb, and the adjective. Yeah. So it's working as expected. Let's check the console just for a curiosity. All right, so we are trying to hit this endpoint. As you can see, part of this is written in Angular. All right, so I think that's all for this video. So what's the road ahead? Yeah, and I have a couple of days before the next challenge will be released. So I would like to deploy these images, these Docker images in some cloud provider, maybe GCP, because I have some credits to available. All right, so but it seems to work in this process was focused on the building and deployment of these images in an on-premise environment. All right, so if you have some questions or comments, let me know. If you like this video, also let me know. Click on the thumbs up link. And I hope to see you in the next video.